There you are. This is Dr. Gray from Celebrity Dental Clinic, Owerri. Today, the question is all about why do you have to wait till your teeth get so bad to the point that you could not even sleep in the night before you visit the dentist? You'll be surprised the kind of answers I get from people. All right, the first one is usually, I don't want to remove my teeth because someone told me that once I remove one, I'll continue to remove the others. Who told you that? Is it a dentist? I don't think so. That statement can actually be true. You can make it true if you fail to do the right thing. If you are having issues with your teeth and you don't visit the dentist at the earliest time, for sure, once one tooth is infected, if you wait, other ones could actually get infected. And depending on the rate of infection, you could get multiple of them being involved at the same time and multiple of them giving you pain at the same time. If you don't want issue, when you have that initial pain or anytime you have a sign, visit your dentist. That is when they will address the issue so it will spread to another one. That statement I said before can be true if you made it so, because if you don't go and you want to manage it because you don't want to remove your teeth, just because somebody told you that, you wait, the other one gets involved. You will eventually get to a dentist. At that time, it will be too late. And when it's late, it means that when you get there, they will remove, either they will remove that tooth because it's so bad, and once they remove that one, remember, other ones are already involved. The dentist will be kind enough to advise you to do something about it. And if you don't do anything about it, you go because there is no pain. You disappear. The next time you visit again will be when the pain comes. And when the pain comes, it means another extraction. Maybe that tooth would have gone so bad that they can't restore. What does that mean? It means that what you said before, what somebody told you before, is becoming true. You see, you remove the first one, and the second time you're coming again. Let me tell you why you shouldn't believe so and why you should not make that statement true for yourself. When you have issue, go to dentist. And once they solve the first one, if there's any other subsequent tooth that has issue, please listen to the dentist, listen to the advice. He will possibly ask you to do feed this one, or treat this one and treat this one, or remove the one that is so bad so that other ones will not get infected. That is the only way that statement will remain false. In other words, the first one you remove, another one you won't remove it again when other ones are treated. What other reason do they run away from dentists? One will say, I don't want injection. I don't like injection. Me too, I don't like it. Me too. But you see, you can't do without it. A dentist will not put you on the chair and start pulling your teeth without giving injection. That is very, very, very barbaric. Fortunately for you, injection in the mouth is quite painless compared to the one you get on your buttock or on your shoulder or any part of your body. All right, it's not that not that painful. It's something that they will just give you a pinch of it, and once that is done, the dentist can have all the time to do anything in your mouth without causing you any pain or you having any issue. Don't be scared of injection in the mouth. It's just to numb the place, and every other thing will be taken care of. All right. Then another reason they give is, oh no, I don't want to remove my teeth. I don't want to remove my fat. My grandfather never removed their teeth because of that. I'm not going to remove. Or my mom told me that I shouldn't remove my teeth. My dad says so. I shouldn't remove my teeth. Yes, let me tell you that personally, I'm not even an advocate of tooth extraction or tooth removal. But if you visit your dentist early enough, you may have opportunity to save your tooth. At that early stage, it can be filled without you having any issue. Even if it gets worse and maybe the crown is still okay, it's still restorable. That is what dentists say. It's restorable. When I mean restorable, it means that it can be repaired and you'll still have the tooth in your mouth to chew or even do anything with it. If it's still restorable, they can do an advanced procedure for you to keep the tooth. But then it will become more expensive for you than extraction. Visit early enough so that you won't have issue with your teeth. All right. Which other reason do they give? There are so many reasons people run away from dentist. Pain. That is true. Pain. Dentists inflict pain on you. They forcefully remove your teeth without giving you consultation. No. That is why we give you injection first. When we give you injection, you won't have any pain until we're done with whatever you want to do. And even after the procedure, we'll prescribe drugs for you that will help you manage the pain. Please don't run away from dentists. I know you have one reason or the other to tell us about why you refuse to go to dentists. If you have such reason, please hit the comment section and let us know so I will advise you the best way to manage things like that. Thank you. Have a nice day. Dr.